Hi, this is Julian Foster on behalf of ConvergeOne Government Solutions, and we'd like to thank you for checking out this quick overview of ZoomPhone for Government's hybrid architecture and bring your own carrier functionality with Ryan Heath from ConvergeOne Government Solutions and Bobby Hansen from Zoom Communications. Ryan, take it away.
Thank you for the introduction. I'd like to tell you a little bit about ConvergeOne Government Solutions. ConvergeOne Government Solutions is one of the first federal Zoom phone partner integrators. We have decades of telephony experience, which really help us bring migrations, integrating legacy systems into the new type of platforms. And what about bringing your own SIP gateway?
SIP gateway, typically when we talk to customers about a SIP gateway, it's going to be for what we call BYOC, bring your own carrier. For customers that want that balance between their existing carrier and an existing or a new Zoom native capability. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the Zoom native. So this is where the users are registered to the Zoom phone cloud. When they make an outbound phone call or take an inbound phone call, Zoom is providing that connection to the PSTN. On the right side of the screen is what we call bring your own carrier, bring your own PBX. And in this case, the end users are registered to the Zoom phone cloud. But instead of routing directly to the PSTN from Zoom, they're going to go across a network connection, which is essentially a SIP trunk connecting the edge of the Zoom phone cloud to an on-premise SBC that the customer owns and operates. Now those users will traverse that link and out to their existing carrier services. Why would someone do that? They would do it for a number of reasons. They may have a long-term EIS contract that's already been in place and want to leverage that contract. They may have smoking good rates as part of that contract that they want to be able to leverage. And what's kind of interesting is if you look at a hybrid architecture, when we talk about BYOC and Zoom native, it's not an all or nothing. We can build a hybrid architecture. For example, what's illustrated here is on the right side of the screen, let's say that you have some major or main facilities that have PSTN connections from a preferred carrier. On the left-hand side, let's say you have a number of remote facilities. We have customers that have, Comcast cable phone, right? We happen to have small key systems that have just grown up organically over decades. Those users are not connected necessarily to the mothership. In that case, that's a great use case where we can simplify the user experience and administrative interface of all those remote users using Zoom phone with Zoom native PSTN. Now, what we do is we marry those two systems together. So we have Zoom native on one side, we have bring your own carrier on the other side. So we now have these two architectures talking together. So we don't have islands of communications, they're all integrated, and we can share a common dialing plan and a common directory structure. So this is the context in which we would have a customer leverage an existing SIP gateway.
Well, that's great. And it gives you a lot of different migration strategies. I really appreciate your time today in the demo. I want to remind you that C1GS can help you with any of the things we discussed here today. Our contact information is below.